Hello guys, I am Demberjic De Prosa, BSIT1A from Santa Maria Campus. So, I'm teaching you the three loops, while loop, do while loop, and for loop. So, let's start guys. Let's just open the NetBeans 25. So, we have been create a program, public class while loop, public static void, main string arg, and bracket. So, public class while loop bracket. This creates a class named while loop. Every Java program needs a class. And public static void main string RJS. This is the main method, is it where the program start running. So, we just create a program using integer. Just put a number. Let's add equal and 10. So these codes are integer. You create a variable name number. You set it to 10. This will be the starting value for your countdown. So another code. Let's do while bar greater than 0. Let's add a bracket. So the bracket system, and we need to add a output system out print ln number and we just add a wait. We just add a number. So let's add again system out print system out print ln. So ang gagamitin natin ay pogi pa rin ako sa 2025. So these codes are in the while number greater than 0 bracket. This is a while loop. It will keep repeating as long as number is greater than 0. System out and system out print ln number. This print the current value of number of the screen. And this number, this one, this means subtract 1 from number every loop. Example, 10 to 10, 9, 8, 7. This ensure the loop will eventually end. So, and the system out When the number becomes 0, the loop stops, then it prints your message. So, let's start, guys. So, this is while loop works when you code this. So, I hope you have learned something in this video, while loop. And there are the pogi pa rin ako sa 2025. So, ganun lang ang may explain ko sa inyo, guys. Sana nakatulong ako ng kaunti sa inyo. Sana ito ay maging gabay sa inyong mga pag-aaral na first year, magiging first year na BSIT, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Thank you, guys. So, hello everyone. So, I will discuss to you the dual loop. So, the public class again, I'll explain to you. I'll have been explained this before the first one in while loop. So, int a equals 1, you start with the variable a set to 1. So, do and while. A do while loop always runs the block at least once before checking the conditions. Inside the do block, system out print ln a prints the current value of a. So a++ adds 1 to after printing, while a lower than 20. If yes, it loops again. If no, it stops. It stops at 19 because the loop condition is a lower than 20. If you want it to print up to 20, change the condition to while a equals 20. If you want to change there, just put equals. If you want it to print up to 20, change the condition while a lower than equals 20. So we will run this code. So this is how it works, the dual loop. So kung gusto niyo bang matuto ng madami, guys, mag-search lang kayo sa YouTube. Kung gusto niyo matuto. So dito, guys. Yan, guys, di nagpapakita, guys. So ganyan lang kung paano mag-work, guys. 19 to 1 yan, guys. So ganito kung paano mag-work ang dual loop. So hello again, everyone, and I will discuss the for loop. So, and we use public class again, for loop. This creates a class name for loop. Every Java code needs to be inside a class. So, public class static void main string rjs bracket. This is the main method, the starting point of every Java program. For int b equals 20, b higher than 0, b minus bracket. So int b equals 20, the loop start with b set to 20. b greater than 0, it keeps running as long as b is greater than 0. b minus after each loop, b decreases by 1. So the value will be 20, 19, 18, 17 down to 1. So, system out print ln b. This prints the value of b every time the loop runs. So the output will be 20, 19, 18 to 18, 17 to 1. So the program simply counts backward from 20 to 1 and prints every simpler. So again guys, di ko ulit mawan. Yan ay nagprint ng 20 to 1. Kung gusto natin palitan to ng 10, ganun. Yan ay magpiprint ng 2, 10 to 1. So, yan guys. Iba tayo. Yun guys. 10 to 1. So, ganito lang kung paano ang for loop. So, sana nakatulong ako sa mga video ko. Sana ito ay maging gabay sa inyong mga first year na papasok sa BSIT. At ito lang mga tinuro ko ay basics. So, thank you sa panonood guys.